Hello. In this video we're going to go over how deductibles work for the Benefits Association Seniors Choice Plan. Hopefully I'll be able to clarify everything and everybody will have a good understanding of how the deductibles work with this plan. The Seniors Choice Group Retiree Medical Plans do allow members to choose their own deductible. There are several deductible options to choose from, one of which being a $0 deductible. When the services are obtained from a physician or facility that accepts Medicare, the member first meets their plan deductible and then benefits are paid per the benefit summary, which will be addressed on one of the other videos. The Medicare deductibles are paid by the plan, and then we're going to go over this example with the illustration to show you how this works. We're gonna the example we're going to use is say a member chooses a $500 plan deductible, and then the physician services are $1,000. Now, your Medicare Part B deductible is $147. This must be satisfied before Medicare will pay 80%. The Seniors Choice Plan deductible does include the $147 Medicare Part B deductible. Example of all of this: you have your $1,000 charge for physician services. The member will pay $147, which is the Medicare Part B deductible. That's going to leave a balance of $853. But now, because the Medicare Part B deductible has been met, Medicare is going to come in and they're going to pay 80%. Well, 80% of that amount is $682.40. That's going to leave a balance of $170.60, which will be the responsibility of the member because the $500 plan deductible has not been met yet. When we total the amount paid by the member, $170.60 and the $147, we get the member's total out of pocket at $317.60. So that is the total that the member will have to pay, which all will be applied toward the deductible. Now, how to calculate the remainder of the deductible that's left, we can see here. It is the deductible started at $500. The member paid $317.60, which leaves $182.40 of the deductible, of the $500 deductible that's left to be paid before the plan benefits kick in. Keep in mind, say they go to the doctor another time, Medicare's, because that Part B deductible has been met, Medicare's still going to pay 80%. So the client's only going to be responsible for that 20% up until the $182.40 or whatever the remainder of the $500 deductible is. And then once all of that has been met, then the plan benefits will kick in. In a way, I mean, it kind of works the same for Part B, except there is no $147 deductible, and then Medicare kicks in. Part A works just basic. There's a $200 charge. The client's going to pay, the member's going to pay the $200, which is going to leave $300 of the original $500. But now these two, Part A and B, do work together. So, you may end up, if you go in the hospital, you may end up paying part of the deductible with Part B, part of it with Part A, whichever. As soon as that $500 deductible is met, no matter if it's through Part A or B, the plan benefits will begin to start working. I hope this answered any questions you may have had. And this was for the Seniors Choice, the Benefits Association Seniors Choice Plan, how deductibles work. Thank you.